Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script for scraping the temperature of any city in the world in Celsius or Fahrenheit right in your terminal itself. So we written this Python script as we provided this country Kazakhstan. You will see you can provide any country or city name as well. So let me provide here Melbourne, which is located inside Australia. So we can provide multiple countries here. Can see New York, Tokyo, London, and then we provided Paris. So we need to get temperature of all these five cities in the world at the same time. So when I run this Python script, you will see it will return us the temperature of each city one by one. You will see current temperature in Melbourne 15 degrees Celsius, New York 22 degrees Celsius. Both it will return both inside Celsius and Fahrenheit. So this Python module, you can use it unlimited number of time. There is no need to submit any API key. It is actually scraping this information from an API. Let me show you. So let me show you the API, which is completely free. This is a website www.in. So if you paste this address, so this is the website here www.in. This website provides you with the temperature details of any city. So the format is simply you slash, you specify the country or city slash. So here we specify, let's suppose Delhi, and question mark format is equal to J1. So this will return you the JSON response, I think. Yeah, so you will see this URL will return you the JSON response. Here you will see all the details, humidity levels, the Celsius, Fahrenheit, everything, pressure. You can even return the population, latitude, longitude, everything. So I think population is also there. Yeah. So I think you can see all this information is returned to you in a JSON response. So now let me show you the full script. The link is given in the description. So first of all, you actually import the request module for making request to a REST API. And then we simply make a function right here, get temperature, and we specify a city name. So now we define this function get temperature, passing the city name, and we just need to go to the URL right here that I showed you, which is https www.in, and then you specify the format, which is J1, and then in a try except block we use the request module dot get, go to that URL and then fetch the data. So convert this response to JSON. After that we extract the temperature like this from this JSON response. So data, what is your current condition? So it will similarly it will extract the temperature in Fahrenheit, and then it will print out the current temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. That's all. So then if the city name is not defined, then you will say that the city name is not correct. So that's all. So we can do this unlimited number of time. You can see multiple cities. So if you run this now, once again it will print out the temperature of each city one by one. So you can also build out a web application using this module right in the browser. The user inputs the city name, then you return out the temperature. So the possibilities are endless. The module, it's not a module, it's a simple API. which you can directly make a REST API call in any language. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.